he's still standing there. Oh, great. That ain't good. Oh, there he goes. See? Oh, he just flew right there. Hey, buddy, are you okay? Hey. You okay? Are you alright? Hey, something's wrong with his eye. Both of them. It's like he can't see. Huh. He will tear me up if I try to take a towel or something, take him to the vet office. Oh, poor guy. Oh, crud. And he'll just fly a little ways and land.